Alright, we're back. Sorry about that. I know, you might be wondering why I said we're back, but that's because the video ended, and the video just quickly ended because space was running out of my D drive now. Yes, I'm running low on space on a lot of my drives now. Sucks, but the video must go on. So now, when you select all, this pretty much selects every single one. Every single one. So, that's pretty nice. It lets you select every single tile here. I personally enjoy that. Now, if you're wondering what this visibility, it pretty much allows you to like hide the textures. Like watch this. Watch. See, it's pretty much making it visible and invisible now. Now, as for transforms, these I don't really use, so I can't really explain that. Sorry. But what I can explain is next is display. Display pretty much allows you to change how in Minecraft how the texture is gonna be displayed. Here's what I mean. Watch. So let's say you want you want to be holding this with this of yours. We'll say you'd rather be holding it. What I do for my textures, like for gem models or stuff like that, for gem models I like have them like on like a certain part of the body, like some like one with like the diamonds, some like one of them's on there, and, like lapis on the back, stuff like that. So yeah, so you could change the way it looks. So it'll pretty much look like this when you're holding it. Might look a little different, because you'll need to fix it. Now, first things first is I'll show you rotation. Rotation allows you to rotate the model how it's going to display. So what I mean is by watch this. Let's say you want the model to be displaying like this instead. Then you can do that. Let's say you want it to be showing up like, I don't know, like this. Then there you go. Or like this. See? See? It allows you to like rotate it so a lot. See? It does like that. This does that. This does that. So watch. Here's another watch. Example would be like, see? Boop boop boop. So reset this. And then this back to 0. And then this. See? You can see it. Translations allows you to put this will allow you to put the decimal versions of the translation that you want to be at. And scale. Scale allows you to make it smaller or bigger. For example, let's say you want this to be, I don't know, smaller. I do 0.2, 0.2. That's what I do. Like this. Boop, boop, boop. And, oh, that's 0.19. There. See? Look. That's so small. It's so cute and little. Aww. You also have to make it bigger too. Now, whatever you do on like the third person right, it's better to just copy and put on left. Like I don't know, so you want to do like this. Then what you'll do is you'll click copy here, go to right to left, and click paste. Oh, sometimes you might have to move it a tiny bit to its original location like this. See, but it's there. See, see how it looks like that. Look here. See, same gap. So you might just have to remove it. Now, first person right. Here, when you're in game, first person, this is how when you're holding the item first person will look. So, for example, let's say you're holding it like, I don't know, like this. So let me just, I don't know, make this like closer, some sorts like this. Watch. Boop, 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 boop. Like this. This. See? This is how it'll look like when you're holding in game. This is how it's gonna look like. Whatever you do on this side, copy, paste. Now, this is not how, normally my mouse look a lot better, but since this is, explaining how I'm explaining it, I'm most likely just trying to show y'all now. Boop, boop, boop. See? There it is. Hello. These don't really matter over here. You could do if you want, but it doesn't matter. Head, I don't know. The head, I don't really know how this actually works, really. I don't know if you just like put it on your head or stuff like that, but yeah. Now ground. when you drop an atom on the ground, you'll notice how it's normally spinning. This is how your model will look like if it's spinning. Now you can make it bigger, like, I don't know, you could do like 0.10. No, it's fine, no, it's fine. 0.19, 0.19, not 18. Each value in scale has to be the same value, at least for me. Wait, oh, I just made it smaller. Oop, 2, 2, 2. See? Now it's bigger. See? Boop. You can also like rotate it so it's like, I don't know, it's like this when it's rotating, I don't know, like this, or like, hold on, let's try it like this, or like stuff like that. Now, frame. Here's how it will look like in frame. You could change this however you like. It could be like, I don't know, you might have to rotate it, stuff like that. In GUI, this is how it looks like when it's in your inventory. See? Like, boop! See? Like HUD. Inventory. HUD. Hello. Like, oh my god, I'm not hungry. Yeah. Oh, snap, it's 6 minutes. I know soon it's gonna run out, so I might as well start hurrying up. So, now, the most important thing you need to know is, when you export files here, you'll have to click File. Go to Export. And you'll see Export Block Model, Object Model, GLTF, I don't know what that means, Sketchfab, and you won't see you won't see this one. This one I added myself. But you'll definitely see the Export Block Model. Click Export Block Model. Okay, when you see this screen, then what you do is, you see this screen is, you'll have to name your model, your JSON. I'm gonna name my oof.json, though I'm just gonna remove it right afterwards, because I'm not gonna even be using this model. I mean, I'll be showing you, but it's not gonna actually be a model for me that I'm gonna be using for the resource pack that I'm doing. But, no, fine, screw it. I'll say that I'm actually recording this in OBS. I had I'm editing this into the original video. The original video did this area didn't show up, so I need to show it because it looks weird. Because it just doesn't. I need to want you guys to see this. So, anywho, yeah, you have to go to your resource folder. Make sure you have Optifine though, and make sure you go to your folder where all your JSONs are, and make sure to click save here. When you click so you'll see all these beauties. I named mine oof, but yeah. Save. So, now we're going to transition back over to OBS. So please wait one moment.